Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Okay. So, students, in our last video, we have done about the simple machine lever and we have discussed the classes of lever. Now, in this video, we will discuss about other simple machines like the inclined plane. Now, what is an inclined plane? Inclined plane is a sloping surface like this. It is a sloping surface which makes our work easier. For example, it is easy to walk up a slope than climbing a ladder to some height. You must have observed ramps in the hospitals. It is easy to walk on a ramp than to climb up a stair. So in this way, inclined plane makes our work easier. So it is also a kind of simple machine. Then next is pulley. Now what is a pulley? Pulley is a simple machine which lowers effort required to lift a load. It can also change the direction of motion. A pulley consists of a grooved wheel. Grooved wheel means a wheel which has a space on its outer cut for the rope, like rims of the tires. They have some space on the outer cut, so that is known as a grooved wheel, and a rope, belt or a chain to transfer the force. Now students, pulleys are of two types. Now these are the two types of pulleys, fixed pulley and movable pulley. Now fixed pulley is the pulley in which the axle is fixed and a rope moves around it. On one end of the rope, load is attached, and on the other end you will apply force. Now as you can see that the direction of applied force is opposite to the direction of lifting of load. So this is a fixed pulley. Now next is movable pulley. Now in the movable pulley, the axle is not fixed. This axle, it is not fixed and the load is directly attached to the axle. In this is the rope which moves around the wheel and this is the direction of force. Now in this you can see that the direction of force and the direction of movement of load both are in the same direction. So which according to you in both of these are more helpful? Yes, movable pulley. Because in the movable pulley, the direction of applied force and the load are in the same direction. But in case of fixed pulley, the load and the force are in opposite direction. So this is all about pulley. Now, the next simple machine is wheel and axle. Now students, we know that pushing a load on wheels is easier than carrying it. But the wheel alone means the wheel by itself is not a simple machine. It is formed by fitting a cylindrical rod to the center of the wheel. This is known as wheel and axle arrangement. When we rotate the wheel, it results in the rotation of axle. The force is transferred to the axle via the wheel. Now I have drawn an example for you people. This is the steering wheel. When you rotate the wheel, this is the axle attached to the wheel, it also moves. So in this way, the wheel and axle simple machine does its work. Now the next simple machine is screw. A screw is a modified form of inclined plane. It is a simple machine used to hold the things tightly together. Now students, can you think that whether a nail is a better to hold the things or a screw? Answer is screw. Now why so? Because in screw the things are held together through a longer distance and thus cannot be separated easily. See, I have drawn a screw here to make you understand this thing. Like if you operate this screw, then this whole distance it will cover in the substance. But if you insert a nail, then the nail will be inserted only as such. So the distance travelled will be smaller in a nail than in a screw. So that's why a screw will hold the things stronger than a nail. Now screws are used almost everywhere, like in chairs, windows, doors, beds, cars, etc. Everywhere we can see that screw is being used. Bigger screws are called screw jacks, which are used to lift cars and trains. And there are some other screws also which are of very good quality, and these are known as power screws. So students, these are the simple machines that we use in our daily life. Thank you students. Have a nice day.